to this pre-market analysis where on a chart of Nifty we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are all the lines that we drew yesterday. This is the 4-hour chart of Nifty. Moving to the daily time frame. So as we can see, Nifty seems to be sustaining above this level. That's 25,950. Taken support there and sustaining above that level. Let's see where it goes. For today, let's, as usual, delete all the drawings and start from a clean slate. In the monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. Nothing hasn't changed there. Why is it bullish? It has made a higher low. That's the reason we say it's bullish. What are the important levels? Important levels are the previous all-time high, marking it in red. There has not been a single daily candle close above this level. Support level is this previous swing low, which has been respected. That's where Nifty took support from. Next important level is the previous swing low, and it's only a hypothesis that these two candles, the July and the August candle, are an order block, and in that case the mean price action of this order block is approximately 25,000. It's an approximation, so these are the important support levels where big buyers are on a monthly time frame. Going to the weekly time frame, there is no bias that I can specifically deduce from this chart because there had been this low created on the 24th November candle on a weekly time frame. Let's zoom into it. You see this low has been taken out. Ideally this low should have been protected to sustain a bullish bias, but and a lower high has not been created. We'll need more time for me to infer a bias out of this. For the time being, let's mark this, the top of this candle, which is a flat top. Flat tops and flat bottoms are areas of big sellers and big buyers. Is there any other interesting level to draw? Nothing here. So let's go to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, again, this high had to be protected for Nifty to sustain. So what we see here, we have marked it as bearish. Why was it bearish? Nifty was creating lower highs, but this high has been taken. So that means now the bearish bias is invalidated. It does not mean it has turned bullish. It just means the bearish bias has been invalidated. Okay, is there an important level to mark up? Nothing. Going on to the 4-hour time frame. This high again here has been invalidated. This should have been protected for, no, not that one, this one. Is this a high? Okay, this high ideally should have been protected to sustain the bearish bias, but since that has been taken, this is 4-hour has also become not sure. Now, when would I label it bullish? I would label it bullish when Nifty makes a low and then starts going higher. So a higher low is where I would label it bullish. It's just a sign that there are buyers at higher level. That confirmation is needed for me to label it bullish. Now here there's an interesting thing that happened. This was a flat top, and if I mark it up here on a 4-hour time frame, the candle closed above it. It looks like it took support there. This one closed above it, and this one took support there. So that's an interesting level. That should be marked in green, not in red. I'll mark it in a single pixel. That's a good support level for Nifty. It should sustain above that. There's also another interesting level is this one. Why does it become interesting? Because this is a swing high in a fair value gap. We have a fair value gap here. So there's a fair value gap and a swing high in that. A swing high in a fair value gap is a zone of liquidity. So you can expect big buyers at this level, and the level is 24,950 approximately. Going on to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame is bullish, and it still is it was bullish and it still is bullish. So why is it bullish? Because there had been one swing low here, the next swing low is here. So Nifty is consistently making higher lows. Yeah, so that is it for today. Once again, I am not a certified analyst, so all this is only for educational purpose. Thank you.